Hi mga kabayan, good morning. Guess what? Kung nasaan tayo? So clue, we have SM. And then this one is the Shopwise pero under construction. And then ano ba yung dome na yan? So that's Araneta Coliseum. So currently we're here inside Araneta City. So this is a township by Araneta. And then we'll be offering here a ready for occupancy condominium inside this township called Manhattan Plaza Tower 2. So we're currently offering a rental in terms, 5% down payment to move in. And then yung binakang buong payment terms niyo are going to be 14 months to pay. So what's good about this one is that pwede mo nang magamit yung property ninyo while you're working abroad. But at least from the payments na binabayad yung monthly, nag-earn din kayo from the unit itself. So today I'm going to tour you with our 2-bedroom corner unit that you might also want to consider. But we also have studio and then a 1-bedroom. But for this one, the biggest one mo nang i-offer ko with you para makita nyo kung ano yung exact deliverables upon turnover nitong unit na to. Tara, let's do that tour. And now let's go to the unit. So this one is 10A or unit located on the 10th floor, corner unit kasi letter A siya. So upon turnover, this is going to be the door or entry point from your unit. You also have here a telephone connected to the lobby. And then, what I like about this one is this enclosed kitchen area. So all the things that you see in this video are already part of the deliverables upon turnover. So let's start first dito sa place na to. So as you can see, this one is a provision for your fridge in terms of height. It's 6 feet with overhead cabinets and also meron dito countertop. So kasama siya. So you can put here your own microwave. So dito naman, this will be another part for your kitchen sink, faucet, solid ano din siya, countertop with overhead cabinets and counter cabinets. And then dito naman also overhead cabinets. So pwede kayo maglagay dito ng sarili nyong lutuan kasi may nakabang nasaksakan dito. And also this one, I think this one is provision for your range hood area. And what I like about this unit, this one is around 86 square meters. So we have here the maid's room area. So this one can be converted also into a room, or your pantry, your daycare, or office area. So ito yung space mo, you can put here your bed, and then dito naman, provision to for washer and dryer with your own ensuite toilet and bath. So dito yung toilet, and sa kabila, meron dong shower head area. And now let's go to the first bedroom ng unit na ito. So this one, ito yung pinakang unit for the bedroom. Ayan siya. And then as you can see, dito walang cabinets included. So it's up to you kung paano nyo na rin ma-maximize yung space kung saan siya ilalagay. Or at least hindi siya naka-built in. So may provision tayo dito for window type aircon. Meron na din socket dito for that appliances. And then your window will be like this, facing Manhattan Heights. And so makikita niyo pagbaba niyo doon yung mga retail strips sa condo. Pwede niyo siyang ma-access. Merong gym, merong grocery stores, clinics, and such. And now let's go to the common toilet and bath. So paglabas mo from the room, konting move, that's going to be the ensuite toilet and bath. So ito yung pinakang vanity mirror. You also have here the sink faucet for the lavatory, toilet bowl, and then also the shower head. And then syempre ito, meron tayo dito magano siya para hindi magkaroon ng moist sa unit mo. Ayan. So yung mga walls natin are already tiles, naka-tiles na, and also sa pinakang floorings. Dito guys, ang hindi lang okay dito is this one. Kasi if maliligo kayo, baka bumasa dito sa part na to. So you can put here a partition or maglagay kayo dito ng curtains to separate lang itong toilet bowl ninyo para hindi mabasa. And also, para hindi siya masyadong madumihin. Ayan. Now let's go to the dining and then the living area. So ito yung space nyo, so malaki na to. Actually, pwede siya convert into bedroom din. Ayan, for you to maximize the unit. So this will be the space for the dining. So total of possible 6, kaya nga 8. The table sitter kasha dito. And then this will be your living area. And sobrang lawak ng space mo dyan. So you can put here your L-type couch dito sa part na to. And the television area will be here. Pwede mong i-mount yung TV dito. Ayan, and then dito naman sa part na to, since parang meron tayong naka-space pa, additional space, so pwede mo siyang lagyan ng shelf or an additional part na to para really maximize the space kasi nakalagay dito yung pinakang window type aircon natin. Also, kasama na din yung socket, and then we have here an entry point to your balcony area. And hopefully, marinig nyo, medyo may mga sasakyan lang. So, ito yung pinakang view mo from this unit. So, 10th floor. And for the view, nandito yung alley mall right there, yung color green na bubong. So that's the Manhattan Heights. Yan. Yung isa naman na tower na to, that will be Manhattan Plaza Tower 1. And then yung kinagawa, that's Laurent Park that will be turned over by 2028. Yan, retail strips sa baba. And so malawak yung pinakang balcony mo dito. So you can also put here your table and then share para makapag-coffee kayo or possible wine every night. Ayan, so let's just close so wala naman kayo maririnig kapag nakasara yung window and then the door. And now let's go to my favorite part, which is the master's bedroom. So as you can see here, ayan, ang lawak ng space mo dito for the bedroom itself. So, what I like about this unit, nakita mo, 1 window, 2 windows, and then the 3 windows. We have triple windows in this unit, or the pinakang bedroom mo, facing first one, Manhattan Heights, second one, facing Ali Mall, third one is also facing Ali Mall with a bit of SM Copao. So, yung space mo dito. So, your bed, pwede mo ilagay dito. Ay, may mga abang na tayong mga sockets dito. So, pwede dito yung television ninyo, or you can also incorporate table, para mag-working station lalo pag mga work from home setup. And then here, provision also tayo for a window type aircon. And then para may mini walk-in closet ka on this end. Kasi dito pwede ka na maglagay ng mga cabinets mo here. Also here. Yan, malalagay naman ng mga damit or kagamitan like mga bags or shoes. And then here, you have your own ensuite toilet and bath. So yan, kagandahan dito, you have separate or you have your own toilet and bath para hindi mo na kailangan gamitin yung nasa labas. Ayan, so malaki yung space na to, and then as I mentioned, we're already offering a rent-to-own terms for only 5% down payment. You can already move in for this specific property. So for the TCP, for you to have an idea, this one is an 86 square meter 2-bedroom corner unit. This is around 20.1 million pesos, 5% BP to move in, and then all the terms will be payable for 14 months. So if you want to know more about the available units we have here at Manhattan Plaza Tower 2, we also have a studio and then 1-bedroom options. Please don't hesitate to send me a message for pricing, sample computation, and to do a site visit. I'm Ken Manansala, Assistant Sales Manager here in Mega World Corporation. See you guys on my next video. Bye.